Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use gold in Vanguard. Gold Paladins are a dynamic clan known for their ability to superior call units directly from the deck. This unique mechanic allows you to rapidly fill your field, creating a powerful offensive presence. Understanding this core strategy is crucial for mastering their playstyle and unleashing their full potential in battles, often leading to multiple attacks in a single turn. The heart of Gold Paladin play lies in superior calling. You'll often find yourself looking at the top 3 or 5 cards of your deck, selecting key units to call to your rearguard circles. These units frequently gain bonus power, sometimes an additional 10,000 power, or even an extra critical, making your attacks incredibly potent. This rapid field generation overwhelms opponents. When building your Gold Paladin deck, prioritize units that facilitate superior calls and benefit from them. Aim for a good balance of grade 1, 2, and 3 units to ensure consistent plays throughout the game. Don't forget to include plenty of critical triggers, perhaps 8 or even 12, to maximize your offensive pressure and secure those crucial wins. For advanced Gold Paladin tactics, learn to chain your superior calls. Many Vanguard abilities allow you to call 2 or even 3 units simultaneously, setting up devastating multi-attack turns. Pay close attention to your deck's top cards, as some abilities let you manipulate them for optimal superior call outcomes. Mastering these synergies will elevate your gameplay significantly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.